What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's talk some ADA, right? We're seeing an undeniable bull run signal. Okay, so we're into an analyst comment coming about within Cardano and why this is important for us as holders. All right, so let's get down into it. Make sure you all subscribe down below. If you hold Cardano, we talk it every single day here on the channel. So make sure you guys all subscribe down below, and let's get down into some news revolving around ADA. Okay, and obviously not financial advice. So please do some research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But despite seeing Cardano move down week after week, day after day, after hitting 81 cents back in March, Cardano has fallen over 28%. Now, what needs to be understood is just understanding the fact that within Cardano, we were buying it earlier last year under 25 cents. So I'm not too concerned, right? I've lowered my cost basis for me and what I'm doing within my holdings. I'm okay with it. My outlook for ADA is in the long term, okay? So just staking ADA, and I'm waiting for my long-term price outlook where Cardano gets off the ground, it gets adopted, it gets used, all right? Because quite frankly, nobody really knows or wants to use it outside of, the few Cardano maxis out there. But what I'm talking about is retail FOMO. So when we see certain cryptos within the top 10, a la Solana, despite your beliefs on that blockchain, they have hype, they have steam, they have FOMO, they have retail involvement, okay? I know they have VC involvement, but they do have retail involvement too. So it's a very different comparison to what Cardano is doing in a lot of ways. But this is where, as they continue to underperform compared to those competitors, I don't really care about the pricing right now, okay? That's just my thoughts, okay? But according to TrendRider, ADA is showing a clear sign of a bull run based on some of the RSI and simple moving average crossovers, okay? This is kind of what we're seeing. Now you can see right here, 3 critical phases in the recent market activity. The first crossover after COVID-19 pandemic at 19 cents, like we talked about earlier. Then we had that significant spike, okay? Then at the end of 2021, we had that bearish crossover take place before the prolonged bear market. And now it is what we were seeing here. It's a strong validation of what we were looking at right now. This is where we look for this last one. It's a very, very bullish macro perspective in Cardano. Okay. That's where you can be optimism or have optimism within the outlook for Cardano because of these RSI and SMA crossovers. Okay, I don't use TA as my end-all, be-all decision-making process. I devote most of that to my trading indicator. You can find that down below in the link. Get signed up on that. Check out their website, xtalgo.com. Use my promo code NYFC if you want to get 20% off, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee. I use it on every one of my crypto trades, and plain and simple, it actually works. Okay, that's the best way I can put it. So, as always, though, do your own research and due diligence. Okay. But this is something where we look into this further and how important these bullish moves are, okay? Because if history was to repeat, then this could be a very lucrative phase for us as Cardano holders, okay? But I'm not really jumping the gun. I'm gonna kind of stay level-headed, right? I don't want to get too high. I don't want to get too low. If Cardano would hit $1, here's the deal. I'm not going to sell a single ADA, right? A lot of that has to do with the fact that the majority of my holdings are probably not in profit as we currently stand. So it's a little bit of a different situation. But, excuse me, according to the macro, that's where we're looking at the more bigger picture, which is what I'm more aligned with within ADA, okay? I'm coupling that with these trends, these historical indicators that we are seeing within Cardano, and I have to agree with what we're seeing from the analysis coming down from TrendRider in terms of Cardano and what we're looking for as a sign of bullishness to come for ADA. So that's what I got going for you guys in this video. As always, please subscribe down below. Enjoy the weekend. Appreciate you all. Smash that like button and let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And we'll see you guys all in the next one. Cheers.